equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of upgrading the hard drive and memory of your Consulum Domain SL Dell P60F. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the upgrade. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is essential for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel off, you will see the hard drive and memory slots. To replace the hard drive, locate the existing drive. It is usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws and gently slide the hard drive out of its bay. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, take your new hard drive and slide it into the bay, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Next, let's move on to the memory upgrade. Locate the memory slots, which are typically next to the hard drive. If there are any clips holding the existing memory in place, gently push them aside to release the module. Remove the old memory and insert the new one at a slight angle, pressing down until the clips click back into place. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to the power source. Power it on and check if the new hard drive and memory are recognized. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any hassle. And there you have it. Your Consulum Domain SL Dell P60F is now upgraded with a new hard drive and additional memory, ready to tackle any task you throw at it. If you need assistance, don't forget, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.